Hello again. This time we will be talking about a very brief introduction to the question structures in Wolof, is what you would call in English maybe the WH question. So this is going to be very brief about how you say, for example, how, who, where, what, etc. Very quickly. In the first slide we have kan, nyan. Kan, nyan. They both mean who. The difference is kan refers to a singular and nyan refers to a plural. Again, kan, nyan. Lan, lan. Fan, fan. Nan, nan. You have three different things there, but they all mean the same thing. How. Nan, naka, and na, which is a shorter version of nan. So again, the first four structures: kan, lan, fan, nan. Kan, lan, fan, nan. Kan means who, lan what, fan where, nan how. Then we have nyata, nyata, nyata. This can be used for both how many and how much, countable and uncountable numbers. So in a Wolof it's the same pattern. Nyata. Lutach, lutach, lutach. I once had a student who said lutax. That was very funny, but I do understand. So this X is h in Wolof. Lutach, lutach, not lutax, as my wonderful former student. Anyway, nyata, lutach. Kany, kany. This is very different from kan. So kany, kany, ny. Nyata, lutach, kany. Nyata, lutach, kany. Then we have two other question structures that are not as regular as the other ones that we saw. The first one is ana. The first one is ana. Ana means where is or where are. So it includes a question structure and a verb. So there is a verbal structure in it. So ana, where is or where are. Ana more, where is more. Ana more ak Paul, where are more and Paul. So ana. Then we have ndach. Ndach is for yes or no questions. Any type of questions in Wolof you would ask for an answer to be yes or no, you only can use ndach. It's like the English structure. It's like in English using do in the present or in the past. Yeah, I don't know the best way to describe it, but it's similar to that. Like when I say, do you smoke? Yes, I do. No, I do not. In Wolof, that's gonna be with ndach. Ndach dinga tux. Wow. Yes. Déedéet. No. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into details for the structures, but my aim was just to introduce you to the question structures as brief as possible. And in the coming videos, we will have more details about them. Again, quickly. Kan, lan, fan, nan. You can make a song out of this if you want. Kan, lan, fan, nan. Kan, lan, fan, nan. Nyata, lutach, kany. Nyata, lutach, kany. Ana, ndach. Ana, ndach. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.